So today, guys, I got a little video for you. So I fixed this Briggs and Stratton lawnmower. I put a thing on it, a new thing so it'll start. It's got a pull cord on it. I got it running, and I got put a thing on it, filter, so it'll. Now I got the cap on it. I got everything. Fixed this. I put a spark plug in it, and hopefully now it will start. So let's crack that a little bit. I don't want to waste the fuel, but you get the point. This thing runs here good, and it runs well. Put that back in it, but put that back on. That back on it like that, and then I'll put this thing back over here. But that runs. I got that fixed. So anyway, guys, yeah. I also been wanting to show you too my light I got here. Here's my 50-watt mercury vapor light. You guys haven't seen in a while. The power line's kind of hanging low a little bit, and it is a little leany, but other than that, it seems to be just fine. Little mercury vapor. I got solar panels on there. I put those up there a while back. So anyway, guys, yeah, pretty cool. Got that, doing that. Also got my little AC coil thing here, ready to rock and roll. That's American capillary tube, and I put on there a little thicker stuff. It's a evaporator coil, like for like a central house AC. It's a pretty big thing. So anyway, guys, yeah, anyway, bye. See ya later.